Hey guys, it's Christina. In today's video I'm sharing 2 face mask recipes: a spirulina face mask with olive oil and honey and cinnamon face mask with a bit of lemon juice, so you can get a glowing skin. Just a note before we start, I upload yummy recipes and science-based nutritional tips every week. If you're interested in this type of content, hit the like button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos, which is every week. In my previous videos, I have shared the benefits of including spirulina in your diet, alongside some easy ways to consume it in a powder form. If you would like to find out more, feel free to visit that video. In this video, I am sharing how you can use spirulina's antimicrobial properties to improve the health of your face skin. A great way to do so is a facial mask. However, I'm not just sharing a spirulina face mask, but also a cinnamon with honey one. We know that nutrition affects skin quality, and so nothing beats healthy habits such as meals with lots of vegetables and drinking lots of water. Also, chemicals and some industrial cosmetics can have a harmful effect on your skin and health in the long term. This is also one of the reasons cosmetic companies are switching to using more natural ingredients. Consumers every day vote with their money, and we are voting for more cosmetics with clean ingredients. Some of the most popular ingredients used for their beneficial effects are honey, spirulina, olive oil, cinnamon, and lemon. These are also the ingredients I'm using in my face masks. They are incredibly simple to make at home with ingredients at your fingertips. How to apply a face mask. I think it goes without saying that for an easy application, your face should be easily accessible. And this means for most of us, doing updos. I have a specific routine when it comes to applying a face mask. I always start by removing makeup or any excessive oils and dirt from my face. Then I soak a towel under hot water and wash my face with it to open up the pores. Then I apply the mask. I usually leave it on between 20 to 60 minutes depending on the time I have in hand. I remove the face mask with the same towel after washing it with cold water to close the facial pores. This ensures that when I apply the mask, the skin absorbs the nutrients from the mask, and at the end my skin is not easily exposed to the dirt of the surrounding environment. Spirulina face mask with olive oil and honey. The ideal face mask characteristics, according to Solastri and Kairunisa 2016, are no coarse, non-toxic, not irritating, skin cleansing, homogeneous particles, capable of giving moist effects on the skin. And this is what this mask does. Spirulina is effective in treating dark circles, dry eye symptoms, detoxifies skin, slows down aging and wrinkles. Plus, a study showed that spirulina contains antibacterial activity against Cutibacterium acnes or Propionibacterium acnes, which is a bacterium that is linked to the skin condition of acne. Honey is known for its wound healing properties, but its effects on acne are not yet clear. Manuka honey has been scientifically recognized for its antimicrobial and wound healing properties, but there is a plethora of studies that show that honeys from all over the world have antimicrobial activity against skin-relevant microbes and can promote the immune system of the skin. For this recipe, you can use any high-quality raw honey you can find. I'm using one that is easily found in Greece. If your honey is crystallized, don't worry, you can still use it as it will sit better on the skin, and while you apply it, it will remove dead skin from your face. Olive oil nutritional benefits are well known, and it helps people retain and restore youth. A study where researchers applied olive oil to the skin of mice exposed to ultraviolet rays showed that olive oil helped fight those components that could cause cancer. So you can use this mask to moisturize your skin after it was exposed to sun or suffered sunburn. However, if you have oily skin or suffer from skin conditions such as dermatitis, skip adding olive oil in the mask. To make this facial mask in a bowl, add all your ingredients. 1 teaspoon of spirulina, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. If you have runny honey, half teaspoon of olive oil is enough. If you have crystallized honey, similar to mine, then 1 teaspoon of olive oil is good. This is to help the application of the mask. Mix well all the ingredients and you're ready to apply it. Apply the mask using your fingers and leave it on for 20 to 60 minutes, depending on the time you have available. While waiting, you can do something else, like washing the dishes, or even something more fun, like a little dance routine. Because why not? Wash it off with a wet cloth, preferably a cloth that was washed under cold water, to close your facial pores. Your skin will feel soft and super clean and hydrated. Plus, you have fed it with vitamins such as A, D, K, and E. Cinnamon face mask with honey and lemon. As with honey, medical literature has shown that cinnamon has potentially antimicrobial, antiparasitic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory benefits in animals, and it may have wound healing properties. There are a lot of people that have claimed that using a cinnamon and honey based mask has helped them fight off acne. However, more studies are needed to prove this in humans. Besides cinnamon and honey, I'm adding a bit of lemon juice to this face mask. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is one of the main active principles in cosmetics for fighting skin aging. Using lemon on your skin may assist to naturally increase collagen in your face and prevent free radicals that damage collagen. Collagen is a protein that decreases in age, causing face lines and wrinkles. Here's a tip. A 2016 laboratory study in mice showed that a citrus-based drink helps prevent the development of wrinkles and can potentially help with decreasing non-inflammatory forms of acne like blackheads. So drink away water with a bit of lemon juice. In order to make this facial mask, mix well a teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Apply the mask on your face for 20 to 60 minutes, depending on the time you have available. It is really tempting to eat it actually, and it does taste yummy. Wash it over with a wet cloth. Your skin will feel incredibly fresh and clean. When you are done, feel free to apply a facial moisturizing cream. If you have leftovers, don't worry. Save it in a container to use for next time. I always make more so I don't have to do it every time I want to apply a mask. I save time that way. These were my 2 face mask recipes. They are amazing and so easy to make. Comment below with which one you are going to try first. By the way, before you go ahead and grab my snack guide and my ebook in the description of this video or straight from my site. And if you would like to receive a weekly dose of delicious content, then do subscribe to my newsletter. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I upload new videos. See you in the next episode.